With the new getters in the request, we are finally ready to implement routing logic in the handler. First, we'll have to pull our method enum in our scope because we would want to match on the method. To do that, in the function body, we can start with a match expression on the request.method. And let's start with just the default case. So this will be the catch-all case for any HTTP methods that we don't have explicit match on. And in this case, we would want to return a 404 not found because, well, we can't handle this method. So we can say response new, and in here we can say status code not found with an empty body. If we go to the console now and run our code, we see that it's running. So if we open a new browser and we go to the address where we are listening, yes, we get a 404. Excellent. Now let's handle GET requests. We have to add a new match arm, and in here we can say that we want to handle method GET. And when it's a GET, we want to immediately match on the path. To do that, we match on the request.path. And now in here, we can specify the different paths that we want our server to handle. So first, let's again start with the default case. So we can handle all the paths that don't match. And we can also add a new case, which would be the slash. So this is the root path. And when it's a root path, we want to return a response new. And we want to return an OK. So status code OK. And for a body, we want to return a sum with some simple HTML. Let's say, h1. And in the middle, we can say welcome. And we have to convert this to a string. So we go to string on it. And we have to add a comma at the end. So now if we go back to the console, if we recompile our code and refresh the browser, yeah, we see the HTML that we meant to serve. Let's add another mapping here. Let's say that we want to handle /hello. And when we get to /hello, we can return hello. Let's make this capital. All right, if we come back again and we recompile our code, now that we refresh the browser, we return the welcome, but if we type /hello, we get the hello.